Hey everyone, Extreme speaking. Today we're talking to Mark Verdelen from ImpulsX, who has just launched. So Mark, first of all, congratulations on the launch on the 16th, and
Thank you very much.
thank you for your time to show us a bit of proof of trading with the bots. So
Yeah.
what I'll do is I'll stop sharing my screen and you can go ahead.
Okay. Thank you very much. Let me just see how I can share my screen here. Share screen. Yeah.
While you're getting it set up, how long did you
Yeah.
guys test the bots and everything before you brought it to the public?
Well, actually, our own bot, the N bot, was tested a long time already, and it's based on all the strategies that our traders have been doing for the last 4 years. So we tested this bot a long time, and the other bots actually they're existing bots already. So we looked at yeah, all the characteristics that the bots have, and we decided to go for a futures bot on Binance that we can trade on several pairs, and also a 𝙏𝙝𝙖𝙑 bot that's a arbitrage bot, which I cannot show today, unfortunately, because it's maintained by somebody else and it's all secured. So I cannot show that one, but I can show the N bot and the futures bots that we use. So yeah, I got it set up. So if you want, I can show you my screen, and then we can go through the
Yes,
screens with
you can
everybody.
go ahead and share.
Okay. Can you see it?
Yes, we can see the site.
Because I can't right now. Let me just check.
So this is on the future side of Binance.
Yeah, this is on the future side. We have actually, I'm showing now. We have 12 bots simultaneously. Actually, we have more, but I'm going to show 12
Okay.
because 12 is more than enough, I think.
No, for sure.
What you see here, you can see my cursor, right?
Yes, we can see.
Okay, this is a Binance Futures. So we trade on the USDT futures market. This bot is trading on XRP. So if I click here, this was the last trade, XTZ. Just yeah, XRP, and it's this particular trade is actually in profit, $48 right now. So it trades with a 20 times leverage, and yeah, it's going well as you can see, XRP. So yeah, this is one bot, and actually it does. We have configured several bots. This one is right now in an ETC trade.
So on the futures accounts, are there any stop losses or any take profits set, or how do you calculate your loss or profits?
Yeah, there are take profits, and the bot takes care of all of it. So it actually we set the settings one time, and then it takes it for all the bots, for all the several pairs that we trade on. Actually, this one is in a loss right now, but as soon as it goes up, then it's in profit again. This is on ETC. Here we have it's a lot of tabs open right now, so it might be a little bit slow.
No problem.
IOST, it's also in a profit right now. It's actually doing very well. These bots, these future bots. Let me see what we have here. This is XLM. Okay. I just clicked. Yeah, there it goes. Yeah, you can see we divided all the capital on several bots just to not be dependent on one bot alone. So
Okay.
you have a diversification going. This one is long. These bots are long bots because we are in a yeah uptrending market right now. So it makes more sense to have long bots running. I hope not, but maybe someday we will go into a downtrend. Then it makes more sense to have short bots. We have them set up also, but they're not doing a lot right now because the market is trending upwards, of course. So yeah, this one is idle right now. As you can, oh no, it's not idle. There is a trade.
So basically, you got different bots for uptrend and downtrend. So if the
Yeah,
market is moving up, the uptrend bot will kick in, and if the
yeah.
market turns around, then the downtrend or bot will
Then
basically kick in.
the short bot will kick in. That's it. And yeah, this way we are protected both ways. Yeah, if you have a uptrending market, you of course there's more trades being done by the long bot, and if there's a downtrending market, of course you have more short trades, and this way, yeah, it's actually going very well, as you can
So
see here.
you mentioned 12 bots. That mean you got 12 different bots trading uptrend and 12 different bots trading downtrend.
That's it. Yeah. But I'm showing you the uptrend of the long bots right now because they are doing more than the downtrend.
No, of
Um,
course.
yeah, because we are in a definite uptrend right now. Because not only BTC is going up, but also the alts are going up significantly as well. So these bots are doing more than the short bots, of course.
I see the
Yeah,
balances on the all the accounts are pretty similar. So do you divide the money equally between each bot?
yeah, we do, and we skim off every night. So when we have profit, we put it in a separate fund. So we are sure we can pay out at every Monday, of course. So and the money that's left over, because you always have a reserve fund. We have a reserve fund as well. Um, we keep in a fund, and sometimes we trade with it as well, as if we think that it's useful to trade with. So that's a bit our strategy right now. And as you can see, there's not too many risk involved. That's why we divided all the capital in several bots. Because if you have all your capital trading in one bot and it goes wrong, especially on the futures market, it can go wrong very fast. So that's why we decided to divide the capital in several bots. Yeah.
All right, coming back to the skimming of the top every night. Do you
Yeah.
withdraw and keep it in USDT dollar value, or do you convert it immediately to Bitcoin?
We converted to Bitcoin.
All right,
Yeah.
and let's say
Especially in this market. Sorry about that. Yeah,
no.
especially in this market because we know that Bitcoin. Well, we don't know, but Bitcoin is uptrending, so there's a big chance that it goes up. So we keep a lot in Bitcoin, of course. So if there is a price rise right now, then we profit from it, from all the capital that was skimmed off every night. And of course, if you're in a downtrend, you skim off and then you keep it in USDT because then you profit more if the BTC drops.
No. And then on the reserve fund, do you take a percentage of the profit towards the reserve fund, or how is that calculated?
Well, we want to maintain actually a stable percentage every week. So we pay out 2.5% more or less every week. And the last few weeks we had actually more profit, but we put it in a reserve fund. For weeks when we don't have this profit, we can still pay out the 2.5%. And of course, if this reserve fund grows very big, we're gonna pay out more because then you will see that it is no use to keep a reserve fund if you're not gonna use it. So if it's going to be a very big factor, then we're gonna raise the weekly amount that we're gonna pay out. But right now we want to keep it stable around 2.5% every week.
That's good. Then, all right, you showed the future side. Is there any regular trading on the crypto side?
Yes, you mean like our own NBot we have? I can see it, I can show it here on the on 𝙏𝙗𝙧. It's trading on also on the USDT pairs. It's not showing the graph right now. Maybe it's because I'm sharing my screen, but normally it should show the graph.
All right.
Here you can see the bot history. It's what it does. It takes a percentage of the total capital that we have allocated, and it trades with it. So it does some buys and sells, and it's just a regular spot trading. So it's no future trading. It's no margin involved. So you can see that what trades it did. Actually, the last one was pretty good because it bought at 16
Yes.
yeah, and it sold at this price. And then we have also trading on Ethereum. Oh yeah, there it goes. Ethereum is still in a trade, as you can see. It was bought at 378. And we are right now at 475, so we're already in profit. But could go up more, so let the bot decide what it wants to do, of course.
So the total USD, is that amount it bought with, by 5,060 USDT?
Yeah, that's it.
That's decent profit. And it's it's been in a trade for almost 3 weeks though. So, but it's still profit is profit.
Yeah. It's still, and it's trading on more pairs as well, not only on Ethereum, of course. I know it's also in a link trade right now. Yes. Also a decent profit, as you can see. It bought at $9.84. Now it's at $13.70. So if it sells now, it will be a decent profit as well.
Yes, and I see the previous board was in a trade was in a minus, which is good. It shows there's positive and negative trades all around.
Yeah, of course. It was quite a big loss, $600. Yeah, this is a win. This is a loss as well.
But the wins are more than the losses. That's the main thing.
Yeah, and it's actually what it does is it mainly takes some small losses overall, and it waits for the big wins, like for when there's a big uptrend, then it rides the uptrend and then sells it, hopefully at the highest price, of course.
Yes.
And that is, that has been a good strategy the last 4 years. So that's what we based the bot on, and it's actually giving some nice profits right now.
You just mentioned the last few years. How long has the NBot been running?
Well, Nbot we developed and we decided to put it on the market only a few months ago when we started with ImpulsX trading system. Um, and but the traders behind it that develops, oh well, actually developers all developed the bot, of course, but the traders they helped with the strategy setting. Um, they have been trading for us for the last 4 years, and they had some nice results. So this bot is actually based on these strategies that the traders did
So
the last 2 years.
basically, ImpulsX has been coming around basically the last 4 years, but only been launched officially to the public on the 16th. How long was pre-launch?
Pre-launch was we started in I I think it was the end of September. Let me yeah. So we had
Okay.
about 6 weeks, 6 7 weeks of pre-launch,
All
and
right.
then
I was in
yeah,
basically since the beginning then,
you
because I
were,
was in
yes,
6 weeks before pre-launch, and so far I
yeah, you
can't
were.
complain. Really good
Yeah, okay.
profits.
All right, that's good to hear that. And with the new plan, I think it's going to be better even because since the launch, we have a new plan which pays out commissions, 3 commissions or matrix commissions directly when somebody buys a pack. If you're qualified for that level, for example, you are a
Mm.
diamond and you have 15 levels below you that you can get paid on, somebody in those 15 levels buys a pack, you get 20 cents right
Yes.
away. So
Yeah.
that's pretty nice money. And you can imagine if you have, what was it? You can have there if you have a big team with thousands of members, it can be really lucrative. And also the direct referrals, they are you can you get paid 10% of everything they purchase. So if somebody purchases for $100, you get $10 straight away in your wallet.
Yeah, that's pretty good. Now, I'm happy with what I've seen, and I'm going to share it with everyone. And
Okay.
yet again, thank you for your time and putting some time aside to see the different bots and how they're working and trading.
Yeah, it was my pleasure. And anytime you want to talk again, I'm here. So hope you liked it.
No, for
And
sure. We'll do another follow-up video pretty soon, and we can see how the results has been going. Is there any new developments and all that kind of things?
yeah, sure, we'll do that.
I
Thank you very much.
appreciate it. Thank you very much.
Thank you.